YouTube! It's you, YouTubers! Didn't see you there! Hey, it's me, Stove180 here. Well, anyway, the other day, my cat came up to me and it seemed like a lot of things that he did, I did. You know, it seemed like me and my cats are alike, like maybe I'm a cat. So I came up with a list of things to tell to see if you're a cat. So here's the list to see, maybe you are a cat. You might be a cat if, number 1, uncontrollable urges to bolt around the house at 3 a.m. yelling meow 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 at the top of your small but powerful little lungs. You might be a cat if, number 2, love free food. Tell Marnie food. Food.
Get your pizza, free pizza, come get your pizza, free pizza.
Did I have pizza? Free pizza? Oh yeah, pizza! Free pizza! You might be a cat if, number 3, you're always on the wrong side of any closed door. Hey, don't let me out of the house, that ain't fair, let me in. Hey, let me in, let me in. Let me in the house, let me in the house, hey, don't trap me out. Hey, let me out, don't keep me trapped in here. No, you never let me out. You only let me in. Let me out, let me out, let me out. You might be a cat if, number 4, love taking naps. But not just on the couch or bed. In the kitchen. So tired. In the bathroom. Love taking naps just about anywhere. You might be a cat if, number 5, love bright and shiny things. You might be a cat if, number 6, easily get distracted. The spell is... Wait. No, I swear, I heard something again. Alright, no. Alright, no, I'm gonna choose the sword or the spear. I mean, wait, keep hearing something. What the heck is that? Seriously, something's distracting me. Can't read this. You might be a cat if, number 7, easily get scared and would flee in terror from any scary situation. You might be a cat if, number 8. YouTubers, please don't look at me, YouTubers. No, I can't believe it. I'm actually a cat. I've turned into a cat. What do people think when I walk down the street? No, don't look at me anymore. If any of these things on this list apply to you, and you think you might be a cat, please leave a comment down below. Or if you like this video or any comments you want to make about this video, leave it down below. It helps me make better videos. Thank you very much. Oh, and please subscribe. I am gonna make new videos every Monday, and subscribe so you don't miss it. Click it or you'll miss it, and you don't want to miss it. And check back every Monday. And thank you, YouTubers, for watching, and hope you enjoyed.